recent years, the world has witnessed a shift in the center of global air power. No longer simply relying on fleet size, major powers are now racing to develop smarter, quieter, and less predictable combat technology. Amid this increasingly fierce competition, China has emerged as a new power that is no longer merely catching up but is starting to match the world's defense industry leaders. The arrival of the Shenyang J-35 is the most concrete evidence of this ambition. This stealth fighter jet demonstrates Beijing's determination to solidify its position as a world-class defense equipment manufacturer. While the West previously dominated fifth-generation fighter jets with the F-35 Lightning II, China now presents a formidable challenger. The J-35 demonstrates the dawn of a new era of air competition in the Indo-Pacific region. With this jet, Beijing is not only enhancing its strike and defense capabilities, but also confirming that its national aerospace industry is capable of standing up without reliance on imported technology. The J-35's journey began with the FC-31 Gyrfalcon, a prototype originally targeted as a jet for the overseas market. However, changing domestic strategic needs led the project to expand far beyond its original purpose. The FC-31's sleek, modular, and aerodynamic design provided a solid foundation for creating a fifth-generation fighter aircraft that was more flexible than the J-20. Beijing then opted to develop the platform into a fully operational aircraft, refined for the needs of the People's Liberation Army, Air Force, and Navy. With improvements in avionics, aircraft structure, engines, and internal weapons systems, the FC-31 evolved into the J-35, a national fighter jet designed not only to fill fleet gaps, but to compete on the global stage. The J-35's primary advantage lies in its stealth capabilities. Various analyses rank it as one of the most serious contenders in the fifth-generation category. Its aggressive angular design, radar-absorbent materials, and optimized intakes and canopy contribute to its extremely low radar signature. Meanwhile, the technology is also combined with the latest avionics. The latest AESA radar for long-range detection and multi-target tracking. Optical and infrared sensors for combat in various conditions. Modern glass cockpit that adopts a large multi-function screen. Helmet-mounted display HMD that allows the pilot to lock onto a target simply by looking at it. A high-speed data link connects the J-35 with drones and other defense systems. This combination creates a combat platform that is not only fast and quiet, but also highly situational, the hallmark of modern fifth-generation aircraft. China is now prioritizing aircraft carriers as the centerpiece of its military power. The J-35 variant for the Navy is a key part of that agenda. This jet is being prepared to operate from the Type 003 Fujian aircraft carrier, which is equipped with the EMALS system. Structural modifications such as folding wings, reinforced landing gear, and the ability to take off using EMALS offer significant advantages. Longer combat range, a larger weapons payload, and drastically improved operational effectiveness. This positions the J-35 at the forefront of China's maritime operations in the strategic Asia-Pacific region. For the Air Force, the J-35A provides a solution to fill the gap between the J-20 and previous generation aircraft. This variant is designed as a multi-role jet capable of air-to-air missions, precision strikes, and even stealth operations into enemy territory. Its more efficient production makes it projected as the new backbone of the PLA fleet. The J-35 represents a major shift in the regional security landscape. With stealth capabilities, carrier integration, and mass production potential, China now has a combat platform that can expand its military reach. In East and Southeast Asia, the jet's presence will be a crucial factor in military analysis for countries like Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Globally, the J-35 opens up opportunities for China to enter the fifth-generation aircraft export market previously dominated by the U.S. The J-35 isn't an end in itself, it's the foundation for China's ambitions to move into an era of artificial intelligence-based warfare and integrated data networks. The jet is poised to work alongside drone escorts, advanced radars, and future aircraft carriers. With its continuously improving capabilities, the J-35 will play a central role in China's air strategy for decades to come. Its presence signals that the global competition for air dominance has just entered a much more intense phase.